An addition facts table is a tool to help you remember addition facts. The yellow shaded boxes represent addends. Which addends total 6 in the first white row? 6 and 0.
Okay, so look at that. We know that 6 plus 0 equals 6, right? So if you come down from the first addend, 6, and you come across from the second addend, 0, you land on the sum, 6.
Which addends total 6 in the second white row? 5 and 1. What is another equation you can write to show the sum of 6?
So what else do we know that equals 6?
4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 and 2 are the addends for the sum of 6. What other equation can you write to show the sum of 6 in the third white row? 2 plus 4 equals 6. Why do both equations equal 6? You can add numbers in any order, and the sum is the same. Here are all the ways to make a sum of 6.
What pattern do you see?
How are the first addends in each equation changing?
Okay, so here's the first addend. Let's look at these numbers and see what's happening. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. How are they going down? Are they going down by tens? Are they going down by twos? Are they going down by ones? They're going down by ones. Each number is one less. 6 take away 1 is 5, 5 take away 1 is 4, 4 take away 1 is 3, 3 take away 1 is 2, 2 take away 1 is 1, 1 take away 1 is 0. Now see what you notice about the second addend.
Select your answer.
These would be decreasing, means going down, decreasing by 1.
The first addends are decreasing by 1 in each equation. How are the second addends in each equation changing?
Select your answer.
So what are these doing? They're going up by 1.
The second addends are increasing by 1 in each equation. If you decrease one addend by 1 and increase the other addend by 1, the sum remains the same.
Okay, so you can see the sums are all the same. They're all 6, right? And this is showing us all the different ways that you can make 6 by adding two numbers together.
What pattern do you see on the addition facts table? It makes a diagonal pattern.
All right, we're going to try some of this now. We're going to do lesson 1.4. It's page 17 in your red folder. And we're going to start out by just looking for some patterns on this fact chart, fact table. These are one addend, these are the other addend. I see the 6's in the diagonal line. Do you see it? What about the 7's? What about the 8's? The 9's? And even down here, look, the 5's, the 4's, the 3's, the 2's, the 1's, and the 0. So our sums, these are all the sums, are making a pattern. And then the add-ins are going up by 1 this way and up by 1 this way. So you can write that however you, whatever you see or whatever pattern you saw, you can write that down here. Where's my next button? There we go. On this page, it's showing you exactly what we just watched in the video, so that if you need to look back at it for help, you can, okay? This one's done for us. I'm going to show you this one to help you get started, and then you're going to work on these. Get myself a pen. All right, so here we have a problem and it's missing a number, and we're going to use this chart to help us find the missing number. This is an add-ins, right? Because it's one of the two numbers being added together. And after the equal sign, this is the sum. You can almost read that, sum. Okay, remember I said all these numbers in white are the sums, and the add-ins are the yellow numbers. So if we know one of our add-ins is 10, make a little mark on the 10, and then we're going to come across and we're going to find our sum. Our sum is 14. Now, to find the missing add-in right here, all I have to do is come across from the 10 and then go all the way up, and it'll show me my missing add-in, which is what? 4. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Okay, I'm going to switch colors and we'll do the next one. This time we don't have the first add-in, but we do have the second add-in, which is a 5. And we have the sum, which is 14 again. So let's go to the 5. Let's go across and find the 14. This is our first add-in. And now we're going to go up to find our next add-in. And what is it? 9. Okay. Now, yeah, I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to do a little more of the pattern first. This time we have both of our add-ins. We have 8 and we have 6. So if we come down from the 6 and stop on the 8 row, guess where we land? 14. All right, now, this time, let's get a new color. Our first add-in is a 7. Our sum is a 14. And if you go up to the top, you find your other add-in. We know this one because it's a double fact, right? 7 plus 7 equals 14. Now I'm going to stop for a minute. I want you to look at what we have here. I wish they were a little better lined up so you could see it. But look at the first add-ins. We have 10, 9, 8, 7. What do you think is going to go here? 10, 9, 8, 7. It's like you're counting down for a rocket ship. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Now look on this side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Every one of these makes a pattern like that. Look at the 6s up here. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It goes down by 1. This one goes up by 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to see that in every one of these. Even this one they did for us, if I trace all these, you'll see it, right? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you see the sum is all the same, right? It's all 16. I know this is a lot, but I think you can do this. What I want you to do is try this next one. I want you to find your first add-in. Okay, then I want you to find your sum. Oop, it's right there. And then I want you to go up and find your second addend. Okay? And then I want you to fill all of these in on this one all by yourself using your chart and using what you know about the number pattern. Okay? And then here's some more. Now, tricky, because you don't have your addition table. However, if you figured out the pattern, you'll see that you don't need your addition table anymore to figure these out. You can just count down by 1. 10, let me get a pen. 10, something goes here, 8, 7, 6. What do you think it is? 10, 9, right, it's going down by 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then you go to this side. We don't know the first one. What comes before 3? Not after 3, before 3. 2. And you check yourself. 10 plus 2 more equals 12. 10, 11, 12. Yes, we know that's true. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what should all the sums be? 12. So you don't actually need your fact table to help you solve these if you know the pattern. If you're struggling with the pattern a little bit, you can just flip the page back and look at the fact table on that page to help you out. And then it has a couple more down here, and it asks about what pattern you see, okay? So what's on the last page? Usually we have a story problem or two. Let's see what this is. Yep. All right, so this will be your last page. And then you are going to go into your Savas Math, and you are going to do the quick check for lesson 1-4 that will look something like this. And it's going to have you practice.